Look at, there's bees sleeping in the flowers. Right there, do you see them? And they'll wake up later and go on their merry way. There's a bunch of them still flying around. I love watching the life in my garden. Yeah, just let stuff have flowers, and you will have yourself some bees. Oh my gosh. And this is evening. This is quiet time. And it's still just covered in them. It's just amazing. And they're literally sleeping. I'll come back tomorrow and So I said that I would come out here and show you that the bees that were sleeping on the flowers are now gone. They woke up. And look at, you can just watch here for a minute. Like, it's just alive and crawling. This, of course, is busy time. Oh my gosh, I don't know what this camera is picking up, but I hope it's picking up some of these bees. It's crazy coming out here watching this. I just love it. I just love it. Love, love, love. Thank you, God, for bees.